In this lesson, we will learn about the volume of a pyramid. Consider this pyramid. Now, this pyramid has the width W, length L, and height h. With this, the formula for the volume of this pyramid, V, is 1/3 WLH. Here, note that WLH is actually the volume of a rectangular solid. Hence, the volume of a pyramid is actually 1/3 of the volume of a rectangular solid. Let's see some examples on how to use this formula. This pyramid has the width 4 cm, length 5 cm, and height 3 cm. Find its volume. To find the volume, we use the formula for the volume of a pyramid, V, equals to 1/3 WLH. Now, since the width is given as 4 cm, we can substitute W with 4. Similarly, since the length is given as 5 cm, we can substitute L with 5. Now, we can simplify by multiplying 4 with 5. This gives 20. Next, since the height is given as 3 cm, we can substitute h with 3. Let's continue to simplify by multiplying 20 with 3. This gives 60. Alright, now we have 1/3 bracket 60. Note that this term is the same as 1 bracket 60 over 3. 1 multiplied by 60 gives back 60. Next, 60 divides by 3 gives 20. Now, this number has no meaning unless we include the unit for it. Since the units are given in centimeter, the unit for volume will be in cubic centimeter. Hence, the volume of this pyramid is 20 cubic centimeter. Next example, the volume of this pyramid is 10 cubic feet. Its width is 2 feet, and length is 3 feet. Find its height, h. We can begin by using the formula for the volume, V, equals 1/3 WLH. Here, since the volume, width, and length are given, we can find the height of the pyramid, h, by solving the equation for h. Here's how. First, note that it is easier to work with this equation if we change 1/3 WLH to the form of fraction, 1 WLH over 3. 1 WLH is the same as WLH. Next, we can remove this fraction by multiplying both sides of the equation with 3. This gives 3V equals to WLH. Now, since the volume is given as 10 feet, we can substitute V with 10. 3 multiplied by 10 gives 30. Since the width is given as 2 feet, we can substitute W with 2. Similarly, since the length is given as 3 feet, we can substitute L with 3. Here, we can simplify by multiplying 2 with 3. This gives 6. Now, we have 6h equals to 30. Let's rewrite this equation, so that it looks neater. Next, to find h, we need to remove 6. To do so, we can divide both sides of the equation with 6. This gives h equals to 30 over 6. 30 divided by 6 gives 5. Again, this number has no meaning unless we include the unit for it. Since the volume is in cubic feet, the height of the pyramid will be in feet. Hence, the height of this pyramid is 5 feet. That is all for this lesson. Try out the practice question to further your understanding.